Jessica has a level 5 light brown natural regrowth, whilst the lengths and ends are previously lightened at level 7.3 and level 8.3 respectively. The target set is a 5.16 praline chocolate, ash copper intense light brown. Apply Milkshake Colour Specifics Powerful Protector to the entire perimeter of the hair. Prepare 2 formulas simultaneously. Formula 1 for regrowth, Milkshake 9 minutes 30 grams of 5.16 mixed with 30 grams Milkshake oxidizing emulsion at 20 volume 6%, and Formula 2 for lengths and ends, Milkshake 9 minutes 30 grams of 5.16 mixed with 30 grams of Milkshake oxidizing emulsion at 10 volumes 3%. Proceed by creating the cross separation and apply the Formula 1 of Milkshake 9 minutes to the natural regrowth. In this specific case, the application starts from the front area and then proceeds to the rear area. Proceed by applying Milkshake 9 minutes Formula 2 over lengths and ends. The processing time is 9 minutes. At the end of the processing time, emulsify the colour with water to remove any residue from the hair and scalp, then rinse thoroughly. Apply Milkshake Colour Specifics Acid Colour Sealer, massage and leave on for 3 minutes. Without rinsing, shampoo with Milkshake Colour Sealing Shampoo, then apply the Milkshake Colour Sealing Conditioner. Rinse and proceed with the desired style.